Tell your story.
What's the biggest hay? A little pig.
Okay, sit up so everyone can see you, and I can make sure they can see you. Okay, sit up. Once upon a time.
What's the biggest hay? There's a little pig.
What did the little pig do?
The little pig is uses
Stop. What did the little pig do?
The little pig sings them away in the moon. When you know,
What?
What
happened to the little pig that went to the doctor?
The little pig is on her feet.
What happened?
I don't know.
You don't remember? You just told me a lot of stories about a little pig.
Wash the tiger, little pig.
Okay. What did the little pig do?
Wash his mouth.
You watch your mouth. What did the little pig do?
And then the pig has to wash his mouth.
I thought the little pig learned and played.
Then the pig goes potty on itself.
Oh no. What happened when the little pig went potty on themselves?
The pig goes potty in the toilet, not on the floor, not on my friend,
Okay.
not on the doctor,
Not on the doctor?
not on my head, not on my hat.
Okay.
The little pig can't pee on my hat. It can't pee.
The little pig can't pee on your hat. Okay. What else? What happened about the baby?
The baby takes him to the doctor and see the doctor, and the baby get a shot
Where'd the baby get a shot at?
on her elbow.
On her elbow? Did it hurt?
The baby cried. Say, where?
Aww.
Mommy.
Huh.
The baby cried.